這場比賽，這維多角對戰前世界冠軍西班牙，最後是雙方戰甲0-0平手。球迷是歡喜慶祝，不過在咧場外是有真儕球迷煞是真生氣，因為講起防詐騙，在咧網絡頂買到假票，頂懸的條碼根本就掃袂入去，互人擋在場外。
維德甲球迷歡喜甲又閣叫又閣跳，慶祝以0-0甲西班牙踢做平手，做一個世界腳球賽歷史國土面積上小的國家，維德甲頭一戰就踢出互人愕樂的表現。
A nós é 10 ilhas, só país pequeno aqui, mas hoje então hoje a Manduta fica grande. Então nunca tem a palavra de falar mais de que não está sentindo mesmo, mas nós, Cabo Verde, mas nós é abençoado.
美國亞特蘭大球場內底也有真儕維德甲的球迷親身見證國家隊大冷門，不過不是所有的球迷攏這麼幸運。球場外口也有真儕球迷在比賽開始了後，還是無通入場，因攏是透過第三方網站買門票，開2000塊的美金，煞直直無收到入場的條碼，直直到比賽開始，因才知影家己真做是網絡詐騙的受害者。
There's a lot of people, and like everyone's complaining the same thing. It's like they're putting in like a random email for you, and then nobody can log into their app or whatever to access their tickets, and the barcode isn't showing up. So it's like giving you seat numbers, it's giving you where you're gonna be, it's telling you what time you need to arrive, but the only thing is it's not giving you the barcode that you can scan up there.
另外一方面，中國地緣政治同款牽動世界腳球賽，洛杉磯球場外口警方設路障，專門升級維安的措施。對着美國甲伊朗才拄宣布達成和平協議，伊朗國家隊也要佇遮迎戰紐西蘭，佮加上有海外抗議團體佇場外的旗仔示威，呼籲國際社會關注人權，也讓這場比賽佇高度戒備的氣氛當中特別受人矚目。公視新聞鄭偉林編譯。